Okay, so we just ordered a new power steamer for the house and for, you know, the vehicle and doing other stuff for the interior. Looks like the box, I don't know, looks like it got sent through a war zone, but I mean, hopefully nothing's broken inside. So let's open it up and check it out. Okay, we got directions, and looks like we got a bunch of attachments for it. This one is actually you could use on the wall for doing wallpaper and stuff. And that way you put it right against the wall and you could steam clean. And it'll actually take wallpaper off too. Alright, so here's the machine itself.
What is that? Oh, are you okay? Oh, I can see. Whoa! What's that?
Steam cleaner.
Did you bring your snacks to home or did you in school first? Nope, no days off.
Yeah, that's why I just came up. I just in the room. Are you okay?
Alright, here's the main nozzle.
Did you get that for?
For everything. Here's a brush for the steam cleaner for doing probably different spots of carpeting, whatever. Another attachment. I think that's the fillet. Here's the main nozzle. And this looks like a
Burp cloth.
burpee cloth. Burp cloth for kids. Alright, so if you open this up, you got all your little attachment brushes that you can put right on this nozzle. Another one. And what's this? Before removing the fill cap, turn the unit off, trigger the handle, and allow it to cool for at least 20 minutes. So, assuming this is where you fill it.
Paw Patrol's downstairs.
Alright. So, yeah, that goes right there. And let's go ahead and fill it up. Okay, so it says allow unit heat the green and red lights on, and once it goes completely green, then it's ready to use.
Okay, Major, stop.
And it says fill the container with at least 48 ounces max of water.
Yeah.
Shoot, I was hoping we could sit and watch the show for something for a little bit.
And you
Where are all our kids? Other than Major, who's clearly right there.
Mommy,
Jesse says to me in the car, Mom, can we get Takis? I go, Jesse, we got you Takis today. You did? I said, yep. You asked for it this morning. We were in the store. They were right there. Absolutely thankful.
What are you stealing the box to play with?
I gave it to Mom.
Yeah. Tommy. Yep, there goes my little box thief. Alright, Tommy. Alright, so this is 16 ounces. Basically, it's going to be 6 cups to equal 48 ounces. Excuse me, mister. Trying to get some water in there. My little water cat. Only cat I know that doesn't mind getting wet. Alright, buddy. Come on. Come on. So try and drink out of it. Come on, get your butt out of there. Okay, here we go. So that's 6 cups or 48 ounces. Oh, you want to drink some? You want to drink a little? Go ahead. You can drink some. Alright, Tommy. Alright, so we can take this out now. And put this piece back in. We'll go ahead and put this piece on.
Danny, can't be such a recluse.
Okay. And then let's try this adapter first. I guess they just push on. Oh. All right. And see, both lights are on. And it says once it's just the green light, then it's all set to go. I guess that's the on-off switch, but it was already on, so. Alright. And we want to get all this stuff out. We're going to see how well it does. And we'll get that down there too. Wow. Cleaned that up pretty good. Just that quick burst got all that junk out of there. Alright, so let's try this stuff now. Alright, so as you can see, that cleaned the whole thing up really good. Got rid of a lot of that green buildup and junk there from the kids' toothbrushes and all stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so let's give our slider glass door a check with this glass one and see how well it does. And there's paper and tape and all types of stuff stuck on here. So pull off that attachment. Put this one on. All right. Can you give me a towel out of the bathroom? No, one of the hand dry towels. Thank you, buddy. Alright, so got off everything and it actually looks nice. There's one little sticky thing here, sticker or something. Let's see if we can get that off. Okay, so the only downside I can see right now is that you gotta wait about 20 minutes to go ahead and fill it back up once you start running low. So that kind of stinks. But other than that, it seems to be working pretty good. So let's fill her up again and go ahead and get that See if we can get that sticker stuff off there. Okay, it said the green light was ready, but obviously it wasn't the steam coming out, it was still shooting water out. And then it went back to needing to heat up again, so hopefully it doesn't do that all the time. Alright, let's give it another try. Wow, that worked pretty good. Got rid of that whole sticker stuff over there. Okay, so that worked out pretty good. Just a few hiccups with it. I don't know whether as you're spraying it needs to build up more pressure and go back to green. I don't know if that's why it stopped and then it was just shooting out water. But other than that, it seemed to work pretty good. Only other thing is I wish they kind of had like a lock on this handle, because if you just set it down and any of the kids can come around and pick it and it'll start spraying. So if there was a lock on that, that probably would have been pretty cool. Other than that, it works pretty good, and we'll be cleaning some other stuff with it, and so we'll go from there. But not too bad. It's okay price, so it's been working pretty good. And alright, so I guess that's it. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions on it, or you may have one yourself and you may know why the light does that and then it squirts out the water. But we'll give it a try here, and well, I hope you guys enjoy, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Alright, bye. You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. Alright, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. Alright, bye, Obo. Hi, guys.